Hey, this is Doug at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2010 Yamaha YZF600 R6. This is Yamaha's full-size super sport motorcycle. It has a 599cc fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine, 6-speed transmission. This bike is a clean title, California bike. Very low miles, only 4,003 miles on the odometer. This bike runs very good, very clean. Near all stock with the exception of the frame sliders. Has new tires front and rear. Makes really good power. Slight cosmetic damage on the right hand side bearing. Other than that, the bike is very clean and ready to ride. Great price at only $63.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach us at 408-730-0600.